I have an umbrella, but it's not doing me any good sitting at home in the corner of my room. That's probably super off-centered, but it's Friday, 3:30 p.m. I'm off to a super late start, but apparently that's better than no start. Just need to get out of the house, suffering caffeine withdrawals. We're gonna hit Denny's and load up on some food to fuel my excursion to Barnes & Noble in Harker Heights. And I don't believe they close until like 9 or 10 p.m. and we are going to stay there until I either get super hungry or until they close. It is Monday, my dudes. This is all garbage that came off the computer, an old computer I was working on, trying to take apart. Last week, I fell off the bandwagon when it came to going to the gym. I just woke up one day and I stretched and then I had a crick in my neck. Pulled a muscle in my neck, which then traveled down to my shoulders, which sucks because I live for green stripes. So we're getting back into it today. It is leg and shoulder day. Leg and shoulders day. After the gym, I'm going to come back here, get something to eat, and then head over to the school library and work on that full stack Udemy course. We are 52% of the way through it. My voice sounds low. Whatever. And this is where we're going to be working today. So for the past 2.5 weeks, this is what I've been working on. Portfolio website using Bootstrap for. Initially, the hard problem was getting the nav bar to work correctly, not just on desktop, but on mobile as well. Had to dig through the old Bootstrap forums and find some documentation on Stack Overflow that wasn't explicitly stated on their main website, but I eventually got it working on mobile as well. Another interesting thing is how I originally planned things to look. Before I started any code was I sketched out an MS Paint how I wanted everything to generally look and feel, so I'd have an idea of what I was coding, and obviously a lot of design choices had to be cut if not changed altogether. So this was the mobile site and this is the desktop site. Another issue I'm going to have to deal with soon is search engine optimization, because I don't believe it currently shows up on Google when you search for it. And by the way, I've got this running on a free tier AWS. Yeah, because currently it doesn't show up on Google at all. And this is the old website. And I've also implemented a blog portion into it. It took a while to get these the way I wanted to look, and they still don't necessarily look exactly how I planned. I didn't bother copying all of my previous posts, but enough to matter. So we've got the blog, we've got portfolio page with nothing yet, to include the carousel, which will eventually show screenshots of projects that I've worked on. Then we link to my YouTube channel and my GitHub account, which currently doesn't have anything useful on it. And now for the next couple of hours, I'm going to be working on this Udemy course that I continue to grind through. Anyway, now that I have my website up and running, I'm going to start posting videos monthly on the 15th. Hair's getting to a point now where it's too long to be gelled and too short to do anything useful with without gel.